Hi friends, you're here with Mrs. Hyde. We're going to blend our sounds together, and today we're going to do that just by focusing on endings. I will give you a beginning sound, but we want to really focus on those endings today. All right, so OOT says oot, oot. All righty, so if I put a sound in front, what is it going to say? Loot. All right, let's change our sound. Woot. Foot. All right, I'm going to take this out. A-W. All right, what does it say? Ah. Read it to me. Fa. Sta. Cra. Now I'm going to change my ending again. All right, let's go to EE. Now, EE can come anywhere in a word. It can come in the middle, the beginning, or even the end. So I'm going to add an ending to it. All right, read this to me. Creet. Cheat. All right, the W is silent. Reet. Now, what if I take this away? It says re. All right, let's change our ending again. We have IR. It says er. All right, let's add an ending to it. What does this say? Herb. Now read the whole thing. Plurb. Oh, that's kind of tricky because we've got two R's. Let's change it again. Sherb. All right, now I'm going to change my ending. We have AY. It must come at the end of a word. All right, shay. They. They. All right, IGH says I. Read that. Thigh. High. Rye. All right, A has several sounds. Right now it's open, so it says it's long vowel sound. Ray. Now I'm going to close it in. Rab. Sab. Wab. All right, AU says ah. Wob. Zob. Quab. Now we have OY that's got to come at the end. Coy. Loy. All right, ER can come anywhere in a word. Usually it's at the end. Lur. Whir. Ooh, that's hard to say. Crur. All right, crung. Chung. The W is silent. Rung. All right, OR can come anywhere in the word. I'm going to put it in the middle now. Now I'm going to change our beginning. So ORB is going to say orb. Plorb. Oh, that's hard again. Brorb. All right, let's change our middle. AR. So ARB says arb. Sharb. Varb. And what if I take this off completely? Var. All right, IND, ind, vined, find. Ah, I have an open E here. We say the when we read. Either one is correct. All right, I'm going to close it in. Fed. Head. Oh, head. EA has two sounds. It can say E or E. So in this word, it's head. Now let's make it into a vowel team. Read. Very nice. Let's do one more. OI says oi, roid, soid. Very nice, kiddos. We're going to do this one right here. Iled. Let's take that away. Siled. And the last one, wild. You did a wild job.